We got information that there was this joint here that was selling Shisha. As you know very well, Shisha has been banned since 2017. And upon accessing the premise, we were able to apprehend 38 suspects, including the proprietor and the manager. In addition to that, we were able to collect over 47 Shisha gongs. We were able to get over 700 Shisha ingredients, which we will subject to an assessment at the government chemist to verify the actual contents of that Shisha ingredients. I'd like to urge proprietors that the law is very clear. If you have an establishment, you need to operate your enterprise within the law. Shisha is banned. And as a multi-agency led by NACADA, we will not relent in our effort to ensure that the law is fully complied with. In fact, we will up our efforts to ensure that alcohol and drug abuse is diminished to the extent that it's no longer a threat to our society. Some of these dens are breeding grounds for criminal enterprise. Some of these places is where our young people get inducted into alcohol and drug abuse, and it has to be stopped.